Hone Right Precision Machinery Company Limited was established in 2013. Located in Dali, Taichung City in Taiwan, we specialize in double-column grinding machines manufacturing and processing. Started in 1989, we have been doing grinding processing for over 20 years with full experience. Right now, we have 8 double-column grinding machine processing equipments. Every machine is developed and manufactured by ourselves. We also have the longest double-column grinding machines, which have a processing itinerary of 22 meters. We coordinate with customers' processing needs, making customized machines of 3 to 6 with choices for NC or CNC. Beams and columns using high-stiffness structure design. Ribs placed in the order of radiation, which can promote anti-torsional and anti-flexural strength. The Oil Film Spindle cooling system ensures the temperature of oil remains normal in case of thermal deformation occurring in the spindle. With a pressure detecting system, when the pressure is low or it's out of oil, these warnings will tell the machine to stop operating in case of oil film spindle abrasion. We use 8 angular contact ball bearings in our countershaft, which can ensure processing stability while maintaining the toughness of axial and radial cutting and grinding. A double V crossing structure design can effectively increase contact area, not only promoting workbench stability, but also smoothness. Oil hydraulic power units adopt the design of 20 horsepower hydraulic motors and proportional valves, which provide the workbench enough power. Even in low-speed movements, the workbench works just as smooth as it could be. When detecting low pressure or out of oil, the trail detector will send warnings to the machine to stop operating in case of slide-away abrasion. Improve axial transmission torque while ensuring axial feeding mobility. The Axis Z slideway uses a roller-type linear slide with a big crossing design and has 8 blocks to improve transmission rigidity while having a meticulous grinding surface. To ensure grinding quality, columns are not combined with the base so that vibrations from the moving workbench will be transferred to the main axle processing area. The operating box can be turned in large angles so that the convenience for operators is improved. The electrical cabinet is set at the front of the machine to prevent mist from entering the electrical cabinet while processing. This can prolong the service time of electrical units. The water tank filtering system is set at the back of the machine with a paper belt, with magnetic filtering machines as optional choices.